Greetings, you hungry people. You have arrived right on time to watch me lecture you on how to cook my favorite Asian stir-fry tofu. Let us begin immediately by pouring some of my precious oil into the pan. Then add in the chopped bean curd skins and shiitake mushrooms while we quickly prepare to incorporate the ground soy proteins, which I have prepared 2 hours ago. Then give it a light stir. Now, let's add some premium soy sauce while we continue to let all these components to fry and sizzle till they turn edible. Look! Here comes the carrots! Why, let's also mix in some black bean paste and quickly shoot in our MSG.
Muchacha!
Muchacha?
Did I hear you say add MSG?
Of course, I said add onions. I think we should add some H2O so that my muchacha won't notice the umami taste of my mysterious seasoning granules. Some green peppers should give our dish that crunchy texture. I'll also scoop in a teaspoonful of garlic chili and finally my very green chives. These will not only add more flavor to my dishes, but it also will help spice up your life. There you have it, my favorite Asian stir-fry tofu. Everyone who watches this will like, subscribe and press the bell button.